What's up, guys? Recycle Racing here. Today is shop day. The Riverside Hot Rods are coming over to help me get some work done on Project Dirtbag, and I'm going to show you what happens. Custom exhaust work. Somebody fucking call me? You're recording, that's what it is. I'm like, why does my phone keep doing that?
Loser. And go.
Hey, first start up. First start. See what it does. What? I just got one of it. Ready?
So, you not got it hooked up?
The shifter isn't hooked up, but it should
Yeah,
be in neutral.
I bet it's in gear then.
Maybe it kicked itself back into drive? I guess we'll find out.
Maybe, or you bumped it while ago.
No.
Oh, he didn't mean that.
1, 2, 3. Yeah, it was a drive.
I was wondering, they were spinning them.
Well, I guess the transmission worked. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, my God.
What?
Oh, I want you to get under there and look at my transmission space.
What's it doing?
Just look at it. You'll see what it's doing. Somebody took the cutting boards. What? Cutting board? Cutting boards. I see that. Steel or aluminum.
Oh boy. What in the world? What in the world is that? That's awesome. Something I would do. It moves.
It runs on its own power.
Drop the mic.
I got no gas pedal. I got no fluid in the power steering. I got no transmission fluid. Okay, everybody's gone now. It was a great shop day. Got a lot of stuff done. Got the S10 back outside. Got Princess Pillow Pants over here back inside, slumbering away. We got a lot done today. We also discovered a lot of things that need to change. The truck had a 4.3, the S10 throttle body. It's supposed to sit like this, so it doesn't do the little twisty things. So I need to get a new throttle body. My fuel rails were leaking profusely. The ends of the rails have a crimped on metal fitting on the end. It kind of holds that inner stainless rod in there. I don't know if there's a seal around that or if the crimps are bad, but it's leaking is what I'm trying to say. There was fuel pouring out of that, which made it dangerous. But anyways, we're going to replace those. What else? We got the 4-inch lowering blocks in the rear to lower the rear to match the front. So I think I'm at about a 4.4 drop now. The the shocks from the Chevelle fit onto the S10 in the front. In the back, they kind of fit. They're a couple inches short. I could bring the rear end up and bolt them in, but I need more travel. I'm trying to be cheap and just use what I got. So I may modify the spring perches to use those shocks. Maybe. I don't know. I might get new shocks. I don't know. I'm trying to save money here. And then the whole no oil pressure thing. It had sporadic bursts of oil pressure at 25 psi here and there and kind of not really consistent. So I thought it was just the sending unit that I got from China was bad. So we put a mechanical gauge on there and it kind of sputtered around a little bit and got a little bit of pressure here and there. So something's wrong with that oiling system. The previous owner said that he had put a GM muscle car pan or something like that on it. So maybe the oil ring was the wrong one or just got pinched or something. He did mention the cam plate. I don't remember what he said about the cam plate, so I got a new one of those on the way. We're just going to replace that. I'll check the timing gear set. Maybe it needs a new one of those too while I'm in there. And I'm in that far. I'm having a lot of problems here not ordering one of those $69 eBay cams. I know everybody says don't get a cam, but even if it's not the duration that it says it is, it has to be more than that 191, 201 crap that's in there from the factory on the trucks. So I might be doing that too while I'm in there since I already got everything apart again. And then we're going to put it all back together and figure out if I'm keeping this motor. I may end up throwing it and getting another one. So that defeats the purpose of the budget build. Hopefully that doesn't happen. Didn't sound like it was running out of oil. Didn't have noises or anything. And it kind of had spurts here and there of oil. So I think it was getting what it needed to get. Kind of getting part of what it needed to get anyways. I know it's not good. I know it's not how it's supposed to be. I got it. But we're going to move forward and we're going to spend as little money as possible on this thing. Maybe we can get it to work again. I don't know. Anyway, thanks to the Riverside Hot Rods for coming out and wrenching on, the project. If you guys have ever done a shop day, I don't know if you had 8 or 5 or 10 buddies out here and kind of worked on your stuff all day and everybody grabs something and works on it. It's a lot. So I didn't get a lot of video because I was doing things and everybody else was doing things until they stole my phone and made videos. But it was fun. If you guys haven't done one, call some buddies over and just thrash on a project. It's hilarious. It's fun. You get a lot of stuff done. You can't find any of your tools, and someone will have a new nickname by the time you go home. So anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That really helps me out. And we'll see you on the next one.
Action. On fire. I just wake up and piss excellence, and I want to go fast.
You're not first, you're last.
I was high when I said that. Did real good. Car ran real good.